So, hello everyone. So today we are going to look at the case study on Google's Chubby. So it's tool. It helps the Google's huge systems, huge distributed system working together, and it is a distributable, dependable lock. It keeps Google's file system and database are in sync and running smoothly even if something goes wrong, either in the database or in the file system, right? So with design thinking approach, we will look at how Chubby was made by understanding the challenges faced by the engineers and pinpointing some key issues and coming up with some creative ideas and making it better over the time. Okay, let's start. Let's start from Sandhya.
So let me empathize it. Empathy is nothing but understanding the people's problem and then seeing their feelings. And for that we are going to bring some solution. In design thinking, first steps before creating a solution is nothing but we ourselves should be the place of the people who are facing the problems. First, when as a user of Google, in a distributed system, we face lot of many problems while using the Google. The first one is multiple access conflicts. It is nothing but if two or more persons try to access some particular data, there may occur so much of conflicts and then error, so which creates a confusion among the users. So for that there is no great idea or solution for that. So because of that many choice occurred between the people. And there are also so many problems which will be discussed by Hema.
And there are some more problems faced like data inconsistency, leader connection issue, security crashes, duplication work and scalability problems. So there are so much of problem faced and
So much of problems in distributed system.
And we need to write a problem statement and we will explain.
Okay. So these are the challenges faced by the users or engineers. So what is the problem statements here?
And now I define why Google should be leader. So first thing is multiple access complex. In large scale distributed system, some servers are led to be synchronization simultaneously. It can read, it can update the same resources without locking, causing some error in execution. And second thing is data inconsistency. In different servers, in execution that will lead to inconsistency results. For example, the servers rewriting and overwriting, it will lead to inconsistent results.
Inconsistency is a problem here.
It's been provided multiple across computers, spread across network to resource here without skipping other works. Google created Chubby. The big systems like Google's file system, GBPS, big data need really well to decide who in charge. Leader election to avoid conflicts. Decide to system be a own coordination logic Chubby. Acts to central helper and all system to can trust. It's called lock service because just like a physical lock. If one program to time to change a key use of the shared resource. This resource and trust can trust to the Chubby.
What are the solutions available for to fix that problems?
For this problem, one of the solutions is Apache Zookeeper, which is a coordination service for distributed systems. The Apache Zookeeper major use is distributed log service. First of all, we should know what is log service. In distributed systems, multiple processes needs to access the same resource. Without controlling those processes, it can cause conflicts or corruption, etc. Apache Zookeeper is the one of the solution for solving this problem. Apache Zookeeper provides znodes for clients. Clients creates a ephemeral sequential znode, which is a temporary znode. It disappears after the client crashes. sequential general. Apache Zookeeper assigns increasing number like log 1, log 2 for each client. Client with the lowest number of log will get first chance. After the client releases, the next client will get the benefits of using this Apache Zookeeper is order is respected, which means that client 1 will get the first chance, and likewise the order is respected, and the ephemeral zone C nodes will be vanishes after the client crashes or the client fails.
Solution is Google Chubby, not just as a distributed system tool, but as a heart of Google's infrastructure. Now imagine thousands of computers working together, each requiring to access a shared resource. In smaller program, we can use logs. In larger program, the challenge becomes greater. Here comes Chubby. Chubby provides logs that can be held for hours, minutes, or days. Now the client can release logs on files and directories. Then the important aspect of Google Chubby is it's simple and reliable.
Which is the best choice for this problem? Apache Zookeeper or Google Chubby?
Yeah, Google Chubby is a distributed log service designed for coordination in large scale. It has some advantages like reliability, scalability, synchronization, and coordination. And it also has some disadvantages like performance limitations and release bottlenecks, scaling complexity.
Yeah, Google Chubby is one of the first and large scale production digital log service. It developed by Google. Then it is a simple infrastructure file system based interface. Compared to Zookeeper, it is node tree structure interface because node or tree structure interface developer retrieve process or it is typical in Zookeeper. So file system managed interface it is easy to adapt the developer or any other user to file store data, retrieve any other process. Then it is Google Chubby is not an open source because it is Google inside tool. It is high secure infrastructure for our distributed cloud data. Compared to Zookeeper, Zookeeper is open source platform. So that Zookeeper is probably not secure for our data. Because but Zookeeper are used in small companies, startups like e-commerce websites, small scale productions. We use Zookeepers.
At the end, compared to other digilogs, you can say Google Chubby is the choice.
So this session, this case study shows that why Google Chubby is so creative and how it helps us to build better technology, right? So thank you for
Thank you.